People can do several things at once. Some can talk, write, and think, all in perfect rhythm. I've always admired that. Those who can multitask seem to bend time like they've hacked the clock itself. But I've never been one of them. My mind runs in sequence, one thought after another, line by line. My programs, though, they don't have that luxury. In code, time is ruthless. There's no mercy for waiting. Why should a program pause or a function sit idle when others are ready to run? What if they could all move together, like parallel thoughts, racing in sync? That's where threads come in. In Python, they're how we teach code to multitask, to do what we humans rarely can. Take this simple example, 3 tasks each taking 2 seconds. Run them one after another and the program completes in 6 seconds. This behaves like me, step by step. Now imagine we could run them at the same time. With Python threads, we can multitask and complete all 3 tasks in roughly 2 seconds instead of 6. Suddenly, my code is doing what I can't, handling multiple things at once, efficiently, simultaneously, like thoughts racing in my head. I really put a lot of effort into this video. I tried to make it both fun and educational. If you want to support the channel, you can join like the other supporters, give the video a like, and subscribe. Thanks.